Measurements and units conversion, class activity number 1. I will revise only few questions. Units of length, convert from one unit to another. Number 1, 5 centimeters into millimeters. We are converting from big unit to smaller unit, so we multiply it by 10. 5 times 10, 50 millimeter. 600 centimeters into meter. So we are converting from smaller unit to bigger unit. So we divide it by 100. The ratio between centimeter and meter is 100. The answer is 6. Number 5, 1 kilometers into meters. So we are converting from big unit to small unit. So we multiply it by 1000 and we'll get 1000 meters. Number 7, 10 miles into kilometer. So multiplied by 1.6 as we are converting from bigger unit to smaller unit. 10 times 1.6 will give us 16. Number 8, 160 kilometers into miles. We are converting from smaller unit to bigger one, so we divide it by 1.6. 160 divided by 1.6, we will get 100. Metric units of mass, convert from one unit to another. Number 1, 6000 milligrams into grams. We are converting from smaller to bigger units, so we'll divide 6000 by 1000 and we'll get 6. Number 3, 9 kilograms into grams. From bigger to smaller, so we multiply 9 by 1000, we'll get 9000 grams. Number 5, 6 tons into kilograms. We are converting from bigger to smaller, so we multiply it by 1000, so 6 times 1000, 6000 kilograms. Convert from one unit to another. Question number 1, 2 hours into minutes. From bigger to smaller, we multiply 2 by 60 and we'll get 120 minutes. 15 minutes into hour. Smaller to bigger unit, so we divide 15 by 60 and we'll get quarter hour. Number 5, 2 days into minutes. Converting from bigger to smaller, so 2 days into hours and then minutes means 2 times 24 times 60 will get 2880. Converting compound units. Convert a speed of 60 miles per hour into the equivalent speed in kilometers per hour. Solution. We first need to know the conversion ratio between miles and kilometers, which is 1.6. So from miles to kilometers, 60 times 1.6 will get 96 per hour, both are same. So it means that 60 miles per hour or 96 kilometers per hour, both are same. Number 3, convert a speed of 36 kilometers per hour into the equivalent speed in meters per second. To convert kilometers into meters, 36 times 1000. And to convert 1 hour into seconds, 60 times 60. Simplify this one and we will get 10 meters per second. Real numbers system, class activity number 2. We are given a following set of numbers. List the elements of the given set that are natural numbers, integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. 1.2 terminating decimal, so it means that rational number. 3.3 bar means 3 is repeating itself, so it means it's a rational number. Root 5 cannot be written in fraction, so irrational number. Minus 10 integer. 8 by 4, the answer is 2, natural number. Root 9 plus 3 or minus 3, integer. A fraction, so rational number. Fraction, rational number. 0, it is integer. Pi, irrational number. And cube root of 10 is also. If u is equals to 1 to 10, a is equals to 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, b is equals to 1, 3, 4, 8, and c is equal to 5, 8, 9, then find a complement. A complement means u minus a. So delete the common elements and we will get 1, 5, 7, 9, 10. Part B. B union C means join B and C. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Do not repeat the element. Part C. B intersection C means the common elements between B and C. 1, 3, 4, 8, 5, 8, 9. The common element is 8. B union C complement means U minus B union C. B union C we have 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Delete the common elements, we'll get 2, 6, 7 and 10. A intersection B union C. A is 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Intersection B union C and B union C 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Common elements between these two 3, 4 and 8. A union B intersection C. Union means join and B intersection C is 8. So join these two, we'll get 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Graph the set number 1 minus 4 to 6. Minus 4 is close, 6 is open, union. 0 to 8, 0 is close, 8 is open. Draw a circle above minus 4 and color it. Draw a circle above 6, leave it blank, then join these two circles with the help of straight line. Draw a circle above 0, color it. Draw a circle above 8 and leave it blank, then join these two circles with the help of straight line. We have to find the union, so minus 4 to 8 is our solution set. Minus infinity to 6, draw a circle above 6 and color it and move towards minus infinity. 2 to 10, draw a circle above 2 and draw a circle above 10. Join these two circles and leave these circles blank. We have to find the common portion, which is from 2 to 6. 2 is open and 6 is close. Part F, express the interval in terms of inequalities. Number 1, minus 5 to 0, it means there is no equal sign. So x is more than minus 5 and x is less than 0. Number 2, 3 to infinity, 3 is close. So it means that moving towards the right side, x is more than or equal to 3. Exponents and scientific notation class activity number 3. Question number 1. Simplify the expressions and eliminate any negative exponent. Part A. 3y square into 4y 5. 3 times 4 12. Y and y common base will add the powers. So 2 plus 5 is 7. We'll get 12 y power 7. Part C. A square over b power 5. First I'll simplify it. 2 times 5 10. No power means 1. 1 times 5 5. Now the second expression. 3 times 3 9. 2 times 3 6. 3 times 3 9. Now I will simplify it. I will collect common bases. A power 10 and a power 9. Common base 10 plus 9 19. B power 6 b power 5 common base 6 minus 5 is 1. C power 9 is the only single term. So this is our final answer. Part D. Power is negative. So I will flip the fraction. I'll get x square y square z minus 4 over x y power minus 2 z power minus 3. Now first I will simplify whatever is inside the bracket. X and x common base 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 2 means 2 plus 2 4. Minus 4, this minus 3 will go up. Plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. Now simplify the power outside. 3 times 1 3. 3 times 4 12. 3 times minus 1 minus 3. We don't want any negative exponent. So we'll put it down. We'll get x3 y12 When we shift z minus 3 down, we'll get z power 3. Number 2, write in scientific notation the speed of light is about 300,000 kilometers per second. So the number is 300,000. Decimal point is here. We have to move it towards left. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places. When we move decimal point to left, the power is positive. So 10 to the power 5 times 3. See, the diameter of electron is this. So we move decimal point to right. How many places? 13 places. When we move decimal point right, the power is negative. After 4, so 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 13. Number 3, write in decimal notation. 7.23 times 10 to the power 5. Move decimal point 5 places to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So means 30. Add 30 if there is no number. Part B, 7.23 times 10 to the power minus 5. Move point 5 places to left. So when we move it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll get 0.000072300. Exponents and scientific notation class activity number 3. Question number 1. Simplify the expressions and eliminate any negative exponent. Part A, 3y square into 4y 5. 3 times 4, 12. Y and y common base will add the powers. So 2 plus 5 is 7. We'll get 12 y power 7. Part C, a square over b power 5. First I'll simplify it. 2 times 5, 10. No power means 1. 1 times 5, 5. Now the second expression. 3 times 3, 9. 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 3, 9. Now I will simplify it. I will collect common bases. A power 10 and a power 9. Common base 10 plus 9, 19. B power 6, b power 5. Common base 6 minus 5 is 1. C power 9 is the only single term. So this is our final answer. Part D, power is negative. So I will flip the fraction. I'll get x square, y square, z minus 4 over x, y power minus 2, z power minus 3. Now first I will simplify whatever is inside the bracket. X and x common base 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus minus 2 means 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 4, this minus 3 will go up. Plus 3, minus 4 plus 3, minus 1. Now simplify the power outside. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times minus 1, minus 3. We don't want any negative exponent. So we'll put it down. We'll get x3, y12. When we shift z minus 3 down, we'll get z power 3. Number 2, write in scientific notation the speed of light is about 300,000 kilometers per second. So the number is 300,000. Decimal point is here. We have to move it towards left. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places. When we move decimal point to left, the power is positive. So 10 to the power 5 times 3. See, the diameter of electron is this. So we move decimal point to right. How many places? 13 places. When we move decimal point right, the power is negative. After 4, so 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 13. Number 3, write in decimal notation. 7.23 times 10 to the power 5. Move decimal point 5 places to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So means 30. Add 30 if there is no number. Part B, 7.23 times 10 to the power minus 5. Move point 5 places to left. So when we move it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll get 0.0000723000. Algebraic expressions, class activity number 5. So these are the formulas you have to keep in mind when you are solving the questions. Question number 1. Perform the integrated operations and simplify. Part B. 3x squared plus x plus 1 in brackets minus 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 in brackets. Step number 1. Remove the brackets. We'll get 3x squared plus x plus 1. For the second expression, there is minus sign outside. So if there is minus sign outside the bracket, change all the signs inside the bracket. Minus 2x squared minus minus plus 3x minus minus plus 5. So now we have to add the like terms. 3x squared minus 2x squared will give us x squared plus x plus 3x is 4x plus 1 plus 5 is 6. Part D, 4 into 3t minus t squared plus 1 minus 3t into t minus 2 in brackets. First step will open the brackets. 4 into 3t, 12t, 4 into minus 2, minus 8, minus t squared, minus plus, minus 1, minus 3t into t, minus 3t squared, minus, minus plus 3t into 2, 60. Now we will add the like terms. 12t plus 60 is 18t, minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9, minus t square minus 3t square is equals to minus 4t square. You can write it in any order. I have written it in descending order. Part E, 3x plus 5 in brackets, 2x minus 1 in brackets, 3x times 2x plus minus minus 3x times 1 plus 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 5 times 2x plus minus minus 5 times 1. Now simplify it. 3x times 2x, 6x square minus 3x plus 10x minus 5. Now simplify the like terms. 10x minus 3x is 7x, 6x square as it is, minus 5 as it is. Part H, 2 minus 7y in brackets square. We will use this formula here. A minus b square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A is 2, b is 7y, means 2 square minus 2 into 2 into 7y plus 7y square. Simplify it. 2 square 4. 2 times 2 4. 4 times 7 28. 28y plus 49y square. Factorize the expressions 3x square y z square minus 9xy squared z plus 12xy z. 3 is the highest common factor of 3, 9 and 12. So 3 is common. X is common. We take the lowest power which is 1. Y is common. Take the lowest power which is 1. Z is common. Take the lowest power which is 1. So 3xyz is common. Take it out. What is left inside the brackets? We have xz minus 9 divided by 3, 3. X is outside. There were two y's. One y is outside, one y is left. Z is outside plus 12 divided by 3, 4 xyz has been taken out as common already. So this is our final answer, 3xyz into xz minus 3y plus 4. Part G, x square minus 9x plus 20. We have to factorize this trinomial. So how to factorize it? We want two numbers. When we add them, we should get a sum of minus 9, and same numbers when we multiply, we should get a product of 20. So the two numbers are minus 5 and minus 4. Minus 5 times minus 4 is 20. Minus 5 plus minus 4 is minus 9. Part H, x square plus 2x minus 15. We want two numbers with sum of 2. And the same numbers when we multiply, we should get minus 15. The two numbers are 5 and minus 3. 5 times minus 3, minus 15. 5 minus 3 is 2. So our answer is x plus 5 into x minus 3. Rational expressions. Class activity number 6. I will review here only few questions. Question number 1, part B, x square plus 5x plus 6. We have to factorize it. Part C, x square minus 36, difference of two squares, x plus 6 into x minus 6. X square minus 9, difference of two squares, x plus 3 into x minus 3 times x plus 3 over x plus 5 as it is. X plus 3 is cancelled with x plus 3, x plus 6 is cancelled with x plus 6. We have x minus 6 over x minus 3. Part D is same. Part E, t minus 2 over 4t square divide by t square minus 4 over 2t. Change the sign from division to multiplication. Flip the fraction, will get 2t over t square minus 4. Simplify 4t square 2t times 2t. T square minus 4 can be simplified as t minus 2 into t plus 2. T minus t and t minus t cancelled. 2t with 2t cancelled. We have 1 over 2t into t plus 2. Part F, 3 over x plus 5 minus 2 over x minus 3. So these are two fractions. We have to subtract these two. The denominators are x plus 5 and x minus 3. So we have to add common denominator, which is x minus 5 into x minus 3. 3 times x minus 3 minus 2 times x plus 5. 3 into x, 3x, minus 3 into 3, 9, minus 2 into x, 2x, minus plus, minus 2 into 5, 10. Simplify the like terms, 3x minus 2x is x, minus 9 minus 10 is minus 19. And this is our final. Question number 2, rationalize the denominator, part B, 2 over 3 plus root 5. Denominator is 3 plus root 5. So we multiply and divide by 3 minus root 5. Now simplify these two, 2 times 3 minus root 5. Now recall a plus b, a minus b. We'll get a square minus b square. That is 3 square minus root 5 square. 2 into 3 minus root 5 as it is. 9 minus 5 is 4. Simplify these two, we'll get 3 minus root 5 over part C, 2 over root 5 minus root 3. Denominator is root 5 minus root 3. So now we multiply and divide by root 5 plus root 3. Now simplify these two. 2 into root 5 plus root 3. Recall a minus b into a plus b will give us a square minus b square. Means root 5 square minus root 3 square cancelled. 5 minus 3 is 2. The numerator is as it is. Now cancel the 2's. We'll get root 5 plus root 3.